All right, it's your boy Miguel from the Mobile Mechanic 757. You know, I get down and I get straight to the point. July 2026. Just did two pre-purchase use inspections back to back. Both customers are extremely happy. One got a Honda Civic and one of them got a Lexus. Both very good vehicles. I'm on my way to Chesapeake to do my third diagnosis on a GMC. With that being said, if you're trying to do a pre-purchase used car inspection in the 757 area, all you have to do is go to the Mobile Mechanic 757. If you're watching this on TikTok, go to my bio page and you can go to the website and schedule yourself a pre-purchase used car inspection. If you are a military personnel or a frontline or spouse, we have special military discount rates, which you can go around the website and look for a military discount. You'll save military pre-purchase used car inspection just for you guys. If you are not in the 757 and you need somebody like this person that I'm going to go look for the Chevy, since this GMC, you literally can do the same thing, and I will go take care of it for you, send you pictures and a report and everything else that needs to be done. You definitely need a pre-purchase used car inspection. I've been doing this for a very long time, and as time progresses, cars are getting more horrible and they're raising their prices and they're doing so many different kind of tricks of the trade. If you are not in my area and you need to do a pre-purchase used car inspection yourself, if you're watching this on TikTok, go to my bio page, go to buy documents, scroll down to customer and pre-purchase used car inspection. Is two set of documents. Purchase those documents and it will save you a lot of time. The other option, if you do not feel comfortable, you can call me and do a one-on-one consultation, same website, and you can discuss what you're looking for, and I can discuss what you should be looking for and what you need to do. And if you're doing a one-on-one consultation, you'll get 3 separate documents, which is a $45 value. 3 separate documents will be emailed to you, which are extremely important. That will help you with your pre-purchase used car inspection. Does it replace my knowledge? No, but on the DIY level, it will help you 100%. If you like this video, please like, subscribe. Also, you can go to my YouTube page, The Mobile Mechanic 757. The Mobile Mechanic 757. You'll see more videos. If you want to be a mobile mechanic, you can go to that website too, and you can see exclusive videos that are not known anywhere else. If you just go to my YouTube page, click on how to become a mobile mechanic, go through the playlist, and you'll see some videos that are exclusive. If you like this video, please like, subscribe, share, and hit that follow button. And remember, you are awesome.